This first tech tool that I want to talk to you about for this assignment is called Mentimeter. Mentimeter is something that my principal here at my building uses a lot, especially at like whole building assemblies and things like that. We do a school-wide talent show, so he uses Mentimeter for people to join and vote for different talent acts that he sees or that we see as a school. But I have never tried to use it in my classroom before. I created a free account with Mentimeter for this assignment. It kind of works like Kahoot. So once you create your presentation, it gives you this little like join code. So nobody who's joining your presentation needs to have a Mentimeter account. They just need the code and then they can join your Mentimeter to answer your questions. It's not really like quiz style. It's more like polled questions. So I chose to create a Mentimeter for my staff, so my colleagues. I'm on the building leadership team, and recently we've been talking a lot about student relationships or relationships within our building between students and staff based on some perception data that we got back from giving a student perception survey. So I created two different styles of questions here. What do you think of when you hear the phrase close relationship? This is going to create a word cloud answer. So as people type in words, it will create a cloud. Anything that's typed more than once will appear bigger here on the answer screen. The second one is a sliding scale question. So there's three different statements that they can just slide: strongly agree or strongly disagree, move their little scale there to tell me how they feel. So that's Mentimeter. I feel like using it for my staff with the building leadership team meets ISD standard 3.5C. Use technology to regularly engage in reflective practices that support personal and professional growth. So just trying to improve our professional relationships with students in the building to make them feel seen and heard. I think Mentimeter can also be used in the classroom just to kind of gauge where students are at and maybe as an exit ticket even. So